go. He's covering the metal fence post with a piece of wood to make it look like it's a wooden fence post. This is the last piece going on the fence. He's got them all pre-cut to measure to come just above the cement post holder. He's got the shims in there to keep it in. And his little block of wood to clamp it at the top where there was no post behind. There goes the clamp. Now the level checker. See if it meets his standards. So at the bottom it's sticking out a bit. And I assume the screws will take care of that.
Hopefully. Yeah, I think it was the shims.
Yeah. And the tool of choice. Yeah, now he's putting the drill bit in.
Hey, Renee and Dennis, we've got college football in San Francisco tonight. So the Cal fans are facelift over at the Berkeley campus. Tonight, USC is in town for a 6 o'clock.
Put this one in line with the other screws. And then he does about 10 or 9 or 10 screws on the way down. Screw number 1. Screw number 2. Now we can remove the clamp. Adjust the level or check it. Two more holes drilled. Two more holes drilled. And now the screws. One, two. Four. Now you can probably remove the shims, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
3% cash back for the things you buy most with the Bank Americard Cash Rewards credit card. Apply online or to Bank
One tip off and drill bit in.
To learn more, go to bankofamerica.com/getcashback.
Couple more holes drilled.
Copyright 2011 Bank of America Corporation.
When you start with people who put healing at the center of their goals, the rest falls into place. When those people choose life within a system that values good care over the only the rest comes naturally. And when that system frees those people from the burden of running a business, frees them to pursue passion and improve their lives, then it's only natural that the most passionate people are nurtured. You nurture that passion, it flowers.
And now Now the last 4 screws.
Folks that answer to that higher calling, who at the end of the day can look into the mirror and say, today I made a difference. The rest, the drive to keep people healthy before they get sick, a belief that good health means tending not just to the body, but the mind and spirit as well. Coordinating people's information so they don't have to. All create a system that is so much greater than the sum of its parts. We are just that system, made of just those people. We are Kaiser Permanente, and we want you to thrive.
And we have a fence. Thanks, Joey.